sleeping. I'm sleeping outside in a tent at Arcadia and Spring. I've been trying to sleep for the past 30 minutes or so. It was a bunch of noise outside my tent. I come out the tent, and there's a woman outside my tent with a gun. I don't know if it's
white,
real or
black,
not.
Hispanic, or Asian?
She's white, heavy set.
Any clothing description that you could provide me?
No, I don't know her description. I don't know her, or none of that.
Do you see her right now?
I know. I got out of my tent and crossed the street. When I saw she had the gun.
Okay, did she threaten anybody with it?
She threatened me. I woke up and to see a woman with a gun. That's a threat.
Okay, did she make a verbal threat towards you or pointed towards you or anything?
No, she hasn't made a personal threat towards me with the gun. She was kneeling down by the tree from where my tent is. She stood up. She had a gun in her hand.
Okay, and you said you couldn't sleep because of the noise. What was the noise? Was it music? Was she screaming? What was she doing?
No, she around my tent. Oh, you stop with that. You stop with that.
Who are you talking to?
The time is 12 o'clock in the morning, and I'm calling you to tell you. I am a victim already. I am a victim already.
Okay, ma'am, I'm trying to help you, and I'm trying to get the officers to locate her. Do you remember what color of clothing she was wearing at all?
Oh, no.
No. Okay, what
I
is your
didn't
name?
look at her like that. My name is...
Okay, ma'am, we're sending officers out there.
Thank you.
What happened? What happened?
Right over there, the people around my tent, and a big woman had a gun in her hand.
A big woman? Where is she? Inside?
Right here.
Okay, inside. All right, just direct us over there real quick. Walk a little bit from here? Yeah, fuck you. Give it a shot.
Did you? That's how I saw.
Blue jeans, black hoodies, that she woke up with a fucking gun like that.
See, there they are, right there.
Blue jeans, black hoodies? Fuck, hey,
2035, right here. Give me on third.
The one with the light?
I don't know. Why are they there?
Her?
Yes.
Hey, stop! Stop real quick, we just want to talk to you. Oh shit. Shots fired, dog. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Hey, retreat. Take cover, Hey, it's gonna be a female black, female white with a black hoodie. Let's get an airship. Let's get a perimeter on this. Hey, get the light. Okay.
Yeah, respond to Arcadia.
Shot fired.
I'll get the call. Shot fired.
Hey, we got two right here on the left. She's inside the bushes. Straight ahead.
35 Ridge, right? South of the 110 with first
Hey, we need someone with a rifle. Oh shit.
Officer needs help, Arcadians. Officer needs help.
Hey, same
Arcadians,
shots fired.
Shots fired. In area coming on central frequency. Maybe on the north end of the...
Hey, I'm gonna go back with your partner, alright?
Squad traffic. And see the shot is.
Where you want me at? Right here? Look, just hold me because we don't know where she's at.
Off at Aliso and Spring Street. That's gonna use caution when approaching.
Hey, get cover! Hey, get cover!
You are stated it's a possible rifle. Have officers use caution when approaching the location.
Hey, get a unit.
Everybody also is there a unit that's a UPR clause.
Yeah, we got UPR. No, who does? Sorry. Hey, get cover, sir, because we're taking shots from just north of us. Yeah, lady, female white with a black sweater. She's wearing blue jeans. Wearing blue jeans.
Spring Street. We need units for traffic.
Take cover, sir.
Aliso and Spring Street. And see the shop is in Aliso.
Jump, you got careful!
Okay, be advised, eyes on a blue jet. It's gonna be just east of 110. Shots are being fired.
Behind that palm tree, if you step to the left, you have a clear shot, but you probably need a shield here or back this thing up.
Hey, can the airship tell us which one's got the gun? Because I got mine to fire on one of them. And it's clear. I got a clear shot, but I need to know.
You're standing up.
Go fucking do it!
She's got it to her head. She's got it to her head. See her wrist bending this way? One's down. She's coming towards us. She's behind the palm tree. She's behind the palm tree, straight in front of you. Now she's going back out. She's in the blue tent. There's one down. One's down, straight ahead of you.
I got her. I'm covering her.
She's still down.
I'm still covering her. See a body on the ground?
Yes.
I
got one body down, one went to the blue tent.
Hold on, don't do anything. I got eyes on her still.
They've separated, so let's let them get that person in custody. She's still down.
Still down, not moving. Hey, can the airship tell us which one's got the gun? Because I got line of sight on one of them, and it's clear. I got a clear shot, but I need to know. Don't fucking do it! I see her. I'm gonna shoot.
Where is she?
One back down. That might be the victim. Yeah, I see her. I got her. I'm covering. I got her. Just still down. She's still down. I'm still covering her. Yes, I got eyes on it. Hey, let's bump up to the fence. Hold on. Don't put it. I got eyes on her still.
They've separated, so let's let them get that person in custody.
Still down. She's still down, not moving.
You guys are ready? Yeah. All right, move up. Over that tank.